Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen. Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praises be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and on his companions. My dear brothers and sisters, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you, and I hope you will be happy and fine. Today, I have been assigned to speak on a burning topic of the time, Islam and terrorism. It is surprising enough that violent activities and terrorism are attributed to Islam, whereas it is the religion of peace and mercy. The word of Islam, which means submission to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is derived from salam, which means peace. It is in fact Islam which for the first time in the human history came forward to protect the weak, to strengthen the poor and honor the disdained. It regarded the safety of human life, wealth and honor the utmost necessity of a human society. Islam raised the value of a single human life to equate it with the life of all the people in the world, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. Surah Al-Ma'idah, ayah number 32 and ayah number 5. For this reason, we decreed for the children of Israel that whoever kills a person, not in relation for a person killed, nor as a punishment for spreading disorder on the earth, is as if he has killed the whole of humankind. And whoever saves the life of a person is as if he has saved the life of the whole of humankind. My dear brothers and sisters, Islam presented a set of religious and social teachings which spread peace and brotherhood. So truly Islam represented the creed of peace. And the Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, was called mercy for the mankind. My dear listeners, Islam advocated forgiveness and avoidance. It encouraged reconciliations and mutual understanding instead of fighting. Violence and using force was about the least degree. Killing was allowed only as the last option, and in this case too unjust fighting and undue violence was prohibited, as the Holy Quran says. لا ينهاكم الله عن الذين لم يقاتلوكم في الدين ولم يخرجوكم من دياركم أن تبروهم وتقسطوا إليهم إن الله يحب المقسطين. Surah Al-Mumtahina, ayah number 32, ayah number 8 and surah number 60. Allah does not forbid you as regards those who did not fight you on account of faith, and did not you expel from your homes, that you do good to them and deal justly with them. Surely Allah loves those who maintain justice. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, in several verses of the Holy Quran and Hadith, Islam stressed Muslims to adopt justice and fairness in their actions, even with their enemies and opponents. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, prohibited Muslims to kill the women of their enemies at war, their children, and even their hermits and non-combatant people. He would advise them, do not betray and do not be excessive. And he also said, whoever has killed a person having a treaty with the Muslims shall not smell the fragrance of paradise, which is smelled for a span of 40 years. Sahih Bukhari hadith number 30,015 and 2166. My dear brethren in Islam, let me tell this too. Muslims are even encouraged to be kind to animals and are forbidden to hurt them. Once, the Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, said that a woman was punished because she imprisoned a cat until it died. On account of this, she was doomed to hell. While she imprisoned it, she did not give the cat food or drink, nor did she free it to eat what she finds. Likewise, he said that a man gave a very thirsty dog a drink, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave his sins for this action. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace, was asked, Messenger of God, are we rewarded for kindness towards animals? He said, there is a reward for kindness to every living animal or human. Sahih Bukhari hadith number 2365 and 2466. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, in the light of these texts, the act of inciting terror in the hearts of defenseless civilians, the wholesale destruction of buildings and properties, the bombing of innocent men, women and children are forbidden and detestable acts according to Islam. Muslims follow a religion of peace, mercy and forgiveness. The vast majority have nothing to do with the violent events that some have associated with Muslims. If an individual Muslim is committing an act of terrorism, this person would be guilty of violating the laws of Islam. Killing innocent person is totally unjustified and unacceptable in Islam. Here I am gonna wind up my speech. Jazakallah for listening to me carefully. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.